If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to ICP video update today. So it has been a little bit of a blood down here in the 4-hour time frame, but still so good so far. Nothing bad to talk about. We still have a technical target to move up to 9.118, and that's going to be a move of nearly, we're talking about 25% to the upside for ICP at the moment. So taking in on the daily, we do have this amazing thing going on right here. So in my opinion, you're looking for this continuation sideways. Do you see that? Just a little bit of this pennant being broken out of. It's just this very, very same. And I'm going to tell you, this happened 2 times before, and it actually proved to be good. So the first time it happened was here. You moved up like this, you made one over there, and then you popped out, and then you moved up, you made the second one right over here, and then you moved up, and this is the third one that you're looking for. So basically, we could end up really pushing up today, if not today, maybe tomorrow, but you do have 12 hours to close this candle, and I think this can really start to push all the way up, and that's where you do have the main technical target. Now let's actually remove, go back to this area, and there's one more thing to talk about ICP in detail. What you have for ICP is this one resistance right over there, okay? This is a very big resistance, because if I do zoom in here, you can see that previously we tried to stay above this area and you got rejected and went down. Again, you try to come up above and break it, and then you came down, got rejected for a couple of days, maybe 2 weeks, 1.5 weeks, and then you stay down there, and then you got rejected here for 2 weeks straight, 1.5 weeks straight, and then you still got rejected and went down. Okay, now you're coming back up, and this is going to be a very massive, big resistance. It is a resistance, and if you look at it again, even though you have a technical target to 9.148, which is a matter of time, and I think it is going to be met. You're gonna come up here just the same way you came up again and you got rejected here. So maybe try to break above it and spend some time here. So if you do actually end up closing and making some confirmation candles in this zone like this for ICP, then you have a whole huge pattern, which is almost like a right angle descending broadening wedge, something like this. This is a right angle descending broadening wedge where you have a very straight resistance, which is the right angle right there, and then you have a descending price action. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and if you back test, then the technical target for ICP is going to be from the top to the bottom, and you're going to see ICP actually moving up to $19.8, which is pretty much a move of 145% move to the upside. So let's see what happens. It's all about, again, it's all about really holding and back testing this level, because you've been rejected a couple of times really badly before, and this is for the 3rd time you're going to try it. If you actually pass it for the 3rd time, they do say the 3rd time is the charm. So let's see. I think that's the title of the video now, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.